So we've seen this page. This page allows us to select, filter, exclude products, and it's talking directly to the warehouse so that you don't have to go over there and filter through and look through. It's ready, it's on your website. So I'm just going to refresh this page here because it's got some, I think they're like tooltips which are still sticking up because of the filtering that we did. Here we go. So let's go over here. What we can do, if for some reason your import is frozen, I mean it's a computer, sometimes this happens. You can click reset the import and then just refresh the page and go back and try again. Now what happens also is when you're halfway through importing, if for any reason, say your internet breaks, your internet stops, your computer turns off, what will happen is you'll have some products that have been imported, but perhaps the images aren't imported. A little button will come up saying continue to import the remainder of those products, the product images, and then you can click that and it will just set off that process to import just the images to fill in those products which don't have the images. Here's the import settings. I think we've possibly gone through them. Here we go. Enable the image import. So this, if you click this enables you to split the product image, the products being imported and the images being imported into two different processes, if you like. But if you untick this button here, or this toggle, what happens is it will just all happen at once. And you may find on your server, depending on how big or robust your server is, it may slow things down or it may not. So that's just one thing you can tweak. So let's jump over now and let's have a look at what's being shown here. So we've brought this product in. It shows the price that is being displayed on your website now. It's automatically taken care of because when we were importing, we had the price set. Put that setting here. Here we go. Default price setting. So markup is 60%. So we buy it for essentially $12 and 60% on top of that brings it up. So you can see you got a profit of $8 for that product. And beds in earlier, doing some testing. There we go. So there's one with multiple images you can see, and that automatically gets brought in. Let's have a look here. Again, there's the cost and the profit. The recommended retail price is $359. Let's have a look. It even tells you how much quantity is brought in. If it drops below 5, it'll indicate low stock. And shipping, doesn't say anything there, but if we look at the attributes, we've got the shipping attributes brought in. If you wanted it shipped to ACT, that's free. New South Wales Metro, that one's free. Here we go. Northern Territory Metro, $103. So that's all brought in automatically, and when you add your product in your cart or in checkout, once you declare where you're from in terms of your postcode or your state, via postcode, it will automatically detect and bring in that shipping fee for you. So that's pretty cool. And your categories are already set up as well. So when you go to your website, here we go. So your categories are already there. This is, again, just a test site here. You can see that all that is taken care of for you, which is amazing.